Today we will make mango coconut chutney. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Wash and peel the mango. Grate the mango. Also grate the onion. You will need curry leaves and dry red chili, onions, coconut flakes, jaggery, grated mango. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. One teaspoon of mustard seeds. One teaspoon of cumin seeds. Curry leaves and dry red chili. Onions, add salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, grated mango, jaggery, coconut flakes, mix well. Add little bit of water. Simmer for 5 minutes. Your mango coconut chutney is ready. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. You can also check out my social media and other videos.